Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by creating an account and immediately syncing your devices so the app has accurate data to work with. Give permission for GPS and motion. This lets workouts log automatically. Once done, connect the health app and any wearables. Make sure they're set to share steps and heart rate. Enter your baseline metrics, height, weight, typical activity, because the app uses those to calculate calories and intensity. Start with a realistic weekly goal in minutes. That guides the plan and notifications. Now you select a program and customize it to your schedule: strength, cardio, or a hybrid. Tap into the planner, pick days, and sync sessions to your calendar so you treat them like appointments. During workouts, use the app's warm-up and interval timers. Watch live metrics, pace, cadence, heart rate, and adjust intensity as needed. If a session feels too hard, decrease load or shorten intervals. If it feels easy, add reps or increase pace. This keeps progress consistent and prevents plateaus. Finish every session with the guided cooldown and save the workout so the app records it in your history. Then review the summary, total time, calories, and heart rate zones to see what worked. Once done, inspect your weekly progress and streaks and make small adjustments to next week's volume or intensity to stay on track. If data doesn't appear, try resyncing devices, restart the app, or clear cache. If problems persist, send diagnostics to support so they can resolve syncing or sensor issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.